Hello and welcome to Design Studio. Today we will learn how to create a design from scratch, build concepts and ultimately apply them on site. Before we begin, we should understand something about the design theory. A good design should be universal in nature, it should have good space planning and it should also be aesthetically pleasing. यानी सबके लिए कुछ ना कुछ होना चाहिए, space का management proper होना चाहिए and it should give a feel good feeling when you look at the design. Now, after the design theory, we should understand the design process. Design process basically वो तरीका होता है जिससे हम एक design scratch से build करते हैं. We can understand this in 4 parts. The first part is analysis. Analysis phase में हम basically design को समझने की कोशिश करते हैं उसके client के needs के through and the challenges and setbacks that we have. Next comes the conceptual phase. Conceptual phase में हम design के concepts को build करते हैं. यहाँ पर हम सोचते हैं कि design कैसे pan out होगा. The third phase is our design development phase. यहाँ पर हम हमारे concepts को design के development में डालते हैं. And the last phase are our presentation drawings, which will have all the scaled and drafted drawings. Let's now take an example of residential design. A residential design will be different from the other types of design because of the nature of its design. It is a very private space and it will also have its unique personality. Because the clients, they have their unique personalities, the design will also have a unique property to it. Residential design को बनाने के लिए हम अपने design process के process को follow कर सकते हैं. The first thing we need to do, we should start analysis of our design. Analysis करने के लिए आपको 2-3 चीज़ें majorly understand करनी पड़ेंगी. The first thing, what is your site? Start thinking about the environment that you have been given to design a residence. You can then start thinking about the challenges that you have about the design. This will be all the things that you cannot do. Also, the moment you have your challenges, you can start developing.